Hey, what's up, guys? This is Brendan Belcher, and I'm making this video to tell you about something pretty powerful. So, what I'm about to tell you about today is a very powerful underground Facebook automator. So, I had this Facebook automator basically built onto my Social Wealth Club platform. And this automator is like no other because it does things that no other Facebook automation software or platform do, period. I mean, it does everything from auto posting to friends wall. It auto repost pages. It auto joins Facebook groups. It auto adds friends. It auto unfriends. It auto invite friends to groups. It auto invites friends to like pages. It auto accepts friend requests. It auto comments, auto likes, Facebook search. This bad boy is like, can you imagine doing Facebook ads for free? That's what this is. You basically are doing Facebook advertising on their ad platform absolutely free. So therefore, you can literally create a 6 or even a 7 figure business within my very Facebook automation platform right here that you'll soon have access to. So what I'm about to do is I'm about to hop right in and show you guys exactly how it works. Okay, one of my favorite features is this feature, how to auto add friends. Let's click on auto add friends, click add new, and I'm over here on a little dummy account. So I'm about to show you. So basically, like I said, this is like owning your own Facebook ad platform and you don't have to pay anything for the Facebook ads. So could you imagine having an unlimited budget with Facebook advertising? Do you understand what you can do with an unlimited budget if you could advertise on Facebook for free? Let me show you this. Let me show you how this works. So let me go to my dummy account, Kelly. What we want to do is we want to get members who like a post. So this is so powerful because we can choose any kind of Facebook fan page and start adding people that's interacting with these big companies. So let's say we want to target McDonald's and I had a CPA offer they got to do with McDonald's, or if I was doing real estate and whoever's interacting with real estate pages, I want those people. So what we'll do is we'll click on users who comment or like. Comment is the most. These are the most active people, but we're gonna do like just for the video. So who like post? All right, I'm gonna try to get 10 people. All I gotta do is put the post ID right there. So let's go over here to Facebook. This is some cool stuff, and you guys are really gonna love this. This is crazy. Let's type in McDonald's. There we go. Let's go to McDonald's. Okay. So what we'll do is we'll go to the latest post. We want the latest post because we don't want a post that's a year old and these people could have deleted their Facebook accounts. We want very fresh posts. So what we're going to do is we're going to go to their latest post. Of course, this is their latest post. So what I'll do is I will click on this photo right here of this girl. And up here, it's going to give me the post ID, the Facebook, post ID. Usually the post ID is this very last number over here. See, from 1 to 4. I copy it. I go over here to the platform. I paste it, click search, and bam. Look how beautiful. This is 10 people that like this very Facebook post right here. 10 people. If we're lucky, we could probably spot out some of the people. Look, bam. See that girl right there? Let's go over here. Bam, there she is. So, like I said, imagine having some kind of CPA offer that has to do with McDonald's. Or if you want to target a different fan page and cipher those friends off, add them as a friend, and then put stuff in their face. Could you imagine that? Could you imagine being an internet marketer like I am and like, many of us are, and targeting people like Gary Vaynerchuk, people that's interacting with Gary Vaynerchuk or any other major entrepreneur or influencer, taking their people off of their page basically, adding them as a friend and posting stuff that they love, motivational stuff, internet marketing stuff, posting stuff that they love right in front of their face. This is a platform that can literally help you print money. I can add friends if they're a member of a certain group, if they're a member of a McDonald's group or couponing group or Bitcoin group, weight loss group. I mean, the list goes on. I mean, say if you wanted to add some people, well, you got a weight loss product and you want to add people from the Jenny Craig Facebook page, you can do that. Whoever commenting on the post, whoever liking the post, if you have a friend that's an internet marketer or a friend that has people that you want, you can type in your friend's ID right here and you can take all of their friends. It's this is so powerful. It really excites me just the thought of this because it's producing major results already. I want to get to a certain number of results before I start posting all of that. But as you can see, this is so powerful. Like it's unlimited amounts of money that can be made and that will be made with this platform. So another cool feature I want to show you is the groups, the auto join groups. So let's click on auto join groups and click add new. Okay, here we go. Let's type in the email right here. And let's just search for a keyword. Let me see, weight loss. Click enter. Bam. Look at this. Look at this. I just wanted 20 right here. If I want 200, I'll click search. Bam. 200 weight loss groups. Can you imagine what would seriously happen if you have an offer and post it into 200 Facebook groups on autopilot? You just click a button and it's going to post on autopilot. You would have more traffic to your website than probably some Facebook ads would even deliver to you, to be honest with you, unless you spend a few $100s doing that. But you will have so much traffic, it will seriously blow your mind. That is the power of this very powerful platform that I have.